हेलो एवरीवन। एवरी संडे लीगल डिक्टेशन का टेस्ट होगा 12 बजे। जो भी स्टूडेंट्स लीगल डिक्टेशन की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं वो अपना स्किल टेस्ट जरूर दें। आप इस डिक्टेशन को लिखें और टाइप करके हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर सेंड करें इवनिंग 6 o'clock तक। सेम डे डिक्टेशन करेक्शन करके आपको फाइल सेंड कर दी जाएगी। कहाँ कहाँ आपने मिस्टेक की है, चाहे वो मिसिंग हो, स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक हो, एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड हो या कैपिटलाइजेशन हो, आपको पता लग जाएगा। सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात, कोई भी स्टूडेंट फोटो क्लिक करके सेंड ना करें, सिर्फ डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल सेंड करें। ऑल द बेस्ट।
Start. In pursuance to the aforesaid order, the applicant had gone to Ajmer and was allowed to meet his son at Sanskriti School, Ajmer. Stop. The principal of the said school has also submitted a report. Stop. After perusing the same, this court wide order dated 2010 directed that both the parties along with the child, Master Ashok, would remain present before this court on 2011. Stop. On the said date, both of us had a long conversation with the child in chambers and tried to know his mind and understand his views about the applicant. Stop. We came to the conclusion that the matter required full hearing. Stop. Hence, the matter came for final hearing. Stop. Learned counsel appearing for the applicant has submitted that there is ample evidence on record to show that the consent order passed in the Lok Adalat has been violated by the respondents. Stop. The mind of the child has been poisoned, polluted, and the child does not have any inclination towards his father because of the tutoring by the respondents. Stop. The child had been taught not to pick up the phone. Stop. Respondent number 2 is quite aged, seriously ill, and it was one of the main grounds seeking transfer of the matrimonial case pending before Bihar by the respondent number 1. Stop. It is not in the interest welfare of the child to continue his education at Ajmer as the respondent number 1 lives and is working in UP Institute of Medical Sciences at UP. Stop. The court must ensure the compliance of the right of visitation to his son given to the applicant. Stop. Learned counsel appearing for the respondents has fairly considered that the applicant has right of visitation and must be concerned about the welfare of the child. Stop. However, the child is getting the best education at Ajmer, which should not be disturbed. Stop. As the child himself is not inclined to talk to the applicant, he cannot be forced to have any communication meeting with the applicant. Stop. None of the respondents has tutored the child. Stop. The applicant has filed a writ petition number 155 of 2009 before this court seeking the relief which has been sought in this petition, and the same stood dismissed wide order dated 2009. Stop. Therefore, this petition itself is not maintainable and thus is liable to be dismissed. Stop. We have considered the rival submissions made by the learned counsel for the parties and perused the record. Stop.